Let us examine these questions which has about the properties of light. So the diagram below shows the number of objects V passing through the moving belt across a light source. And this is a graph that shows the amount of light being detected in terms of units. So how many blocks of objects V move across a light sensor in 10 seconds? So you've got to understand how this works. So the object is being opaque. So when it moves across this light source, it will cause the light sensor to detect zero. So you should count the depressions of the dip. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that's why it's 5 blocks. So in 10 seconds, the path of light has been blocked 5 times because you need to explain your answers. So if this question is changed to state the number of blocks that's move across the light sensor in 10 seconds, this would suffice 5 blocks. But you are being asked to explain, so you must explain in terms of scientific concepts. So in 10 seconds, the path of light has been blocked 5 times as shown by the 5 dips or 5 depressions. When no light is detected by the light sensor, it shows that object V is blocking the path of light. Okay, so you notice if the student, they misunderstood the question, if they count the bars, they would arrive at a different answer. If they counted the bar, they will arrive at the answer at 6 blocks, which is the wrong answer. So this question is very tricky. So students, you need to understand that this question is testing the concepts of the light path being blocked. So you should count the number of depressions. Okay, next, part B. Notice this part B is a higher order thinking skill under HOT. How would the graph be different if the belt moves at a faster speed? The speed is traveling at a faster belt speed. So you notice here, there's an interval of 1 second before the next block is being detected. Because from 1 to 2, right, there's a 1 second interval. So moving at faster belt speed will result in the interval will be shortened, perhaps 0.7 seconds or 0.5 seconds. Oh, so how do you explain in terms of words? So this is how you explain in terms of words. The vertical bar, so these are called the vertical bars, would be narrower and closer to each other. So there's two qualities being mentioned, narrower and closer to each other. As faster belt speed, okay, at faster belt speed should be at AT. At faster belt speed, object V would pass through the path of light at a faster speed. Therefore, the period which the light path being blocked by object V will be shorter. So this is a technical explanation. At faster belt speed, the objects V would pass through the path of light at a faster speed. Therefore, the period which the light path being blocked by object V will be shorter. So this is an explanation for this question, which is a P4 standard questions, but it's being tested at a PSLE level. So take note, parents and students, this question is actually in the P4 content of the Singapore Primary School Science syllabus, but it can be tested at a P6 level because this question is a higher order thinking skill. So this is how, through this explanation, you can get a better understanding of answering such open-ended questions, which are testing your communication, analysis, generating possibilities, and evaluating. So I wish you all the best in your learning journey using this Casco publication for the preparation for your exam as well as your PSLE. So I wish you all the best in your learning. Stay safe, take care, God bless. Cheers.